Hi everyone, this is Robin from Robin's Resins Plus RBK Aromatherapy. I am selling my beautiful Hydrosol of Qatari, Boswellia Qatari, first grade resin is what was distilled. And it's absolutely gorgeous. It's distilled in the Netherlands. And it's made with first grade resin, which means it has no bark on it. And what I did is, you can buy the Hydrosol by itself. It's on my website. But what I did is I bought 2-ounce beautiful blue bottles, glass bottles, and I put it together as a kit. So you get the 2-ounce bottle and 1 ounce of Qatari first grade resin. So you get them both together. And so what can you use this for? Well, I'm going to show you. You can, with your eyes closed, you could spray it on your face. I spray it on my cheeks too. And what I do is I massage it in, and it makes it nice and tight so that you have youthful skin. It also feels wonderful on your skin. So you can use it that way as a toner. And it's so gentle because all it is a Hydrosol. You can also use it as a bug spray. Qatari is very good to use to try to ward off mosquitoes. And if you spray it all over, besides the fact you'll smell real nice, it will ward off mosquitoes, and it does work. Because in the summer I use it and I don't get bitten and everything bites me totally. So you can use it that way also. It's very good for burns. So if you have a sunburn, you can spray it. Qatari is excellent for the skin. So you can definitely do that. With the resin, you can burn it. It smells beautiful. I can even smell it through the bag. It smells beautiful, and besides burning it, you can put it in an oil infusion, and it's wonderful for any type of problems on your skin. So is this. You can use it I use it for babies, for diaper rash, and for any type of bites. If you get a bite, you can spray it. If you have light eczema, you can spray it. And as I said, you can make an infusion with it and put it on your skin that way. So you get 2 ounces in a glass bottle, which will last you a very long time. Because remember, it's only a spritz. So that's a spritz. So it will last you, this bottle could probably last you 2 to 3 months. And you don't even have to refrigerate it as long as you keep it in a cool, dry place. These are the ultra ray violet bottles. So if, God forbid, you keep it near the sun, which you should not be doing, but if it does happen to be near the sun, it will counteract the rays. So the bottle is more expensive than the regular blue bottle. And it's glass. So you get this and this for $15. You can't go wrong for this price. So you can get it on my website. Then as you know, I have the aromas. These are natural aromas. They're made from the concentrate of the fruit or the nut. And then they take top molecules and they put them in. I have organic molecules, and then they put glycerin in instead of alcohol, so you can actually use it in products. I've put them in lotions, I've put them in soap, I've put them in, you can actually put them in, what do you call it again, foaming soap. So you can put a drop or 2 in foaming soap to make it smell nice. I have 9 different flavors. And besides putting it in products, it's ingestible. So you can put, it's a flavoring. So you can put it in water, which I do because I hate the taste of water. 1 drop is all you need. I put it in seltzer with a little bit of monk fruit or stevia, and you have a delightful drink. This has no calories, and you only need a drop. And it's funny because I make during the summer, I grow during the summer, valerian. And after the summer, before it goes into dormancy, I pull some of the roots out and I dry them and I make an infusion out of it. And then I sell it, and it's great for sleep or stress. The problem with it is that it stinks. Valerian smells like stinky feet. So what you could do is, what I did is, this is hazelnut. So I took a drop of the hazelnut and put it in the 1 ounce bottle of the valerian infusion that I'm selling. And now it doesn't smell like stinky feet, but at least it'll still work because this has no therapeutic properties in it at all. But you do get the valerian. So you get the sleepness without the terrible smell. And it goes, all the flavors can go in water. I cook with it. As I said, there's 9 different flavors. And they're great. The cinnamon, I put in cookies, 1 or 2 drops in the batter, and it's wonderful. I'm selling them on my website. It's 1 ounce. This 1 ounce bottle can last you months because you only use 1 drop. This goes, people ask me, well, how do I figure it out? This goes by drop by drop. This is not like an essential oil. You put 1 drop in and see how it smells. If you don't smell it, you put another drop in. I doubt you'll need more, depending on how much you're using. I doubt you'll need a lot. I make them in lip balms, and I'm selling them in lip balms. And I use 6 ounces of my liquid carrier oil of lip balms plus the beeswax. I put in 4 drops, and that's all. And I made 16 lip balms, and each one smells beautiful. So it's on my website. They're $15. Pick up a bottle, and I think you'll enjoy it. This one's hazelnut. It smells like hazelnut. And they're all different flavors. Take a look at it on my website. I will put the 2 links, the one for the spray and this, in the comments. You'll be able to pick it up in one place. Have a great day, evening, depending on where you are. Take care. Bye-bye.